All right, I'm gonna show you how to make roasted tomato soup. So I'll be using 12 tomatoes today. I don't know how much that makes yet. We'll find out at the end. The dirt on the paper towel is proof that I washed them. I tried to do ASMR in the last clip, so we're gonna see how well I did. All right, next is onions. This is moldy, I'm not using that. I'm trying to do ASMR. Okay, I give up on the ASMR. Find space for it. Next is a bulb of garlic. I might do 2 actually. I like garlic. I'm gonna do 2. Make some space for your 2 bulbs of garlic. Next, some basil stems. Stems hold the most flavor, and I'm experimenting here. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. 2 more. Now I'm gonna hit it with some oil. I'm using basil olive oil, but you can just use regular olive oil. A little bit, oh, that came out faster. A little bit of balsamic vinegar, trust me, just a little bit, and it works. A chef on a cruise ship taught me it, and that shit tasted so good. Okay, wait. Okay, that's salt. Salt. I put my salt and sugar in the same thing, so I got a little confused. Pepper and smoked paprika. Doesn't this look nice and flavorful? Okay, so now into the oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes or until it's nice and roasted. This is burning my hands, but it's the best part. Ready? Oh, focus. Oh, shit. Burnt my hand, but it's okay. I'm gonna add a half a cup of veg stock, and if I need more, I'll add more. That was a cup, not a half a cup. I'm gonna add this much basil. Fresh thyme. Dried oregano, because I couldn't find fresh oregano. Some chili flakes, because there's no chili peppers at the store. This part's optional, but I want to strain it. It's just more dishes, but... Also, I'm so sorry to the left-handed community, but I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed. It's just mirrored, which is why everything's backwards. So sorry about the propaganda. This is what she looks like. Looks like tomato soup. I lost the phone holder for my ring light, so I'm currently using a paper towel holder to hold my phone. So y'all are on a paper towel holder. I'm gonna add this much heavy cream. I would say it's about a half a cup of heavy cream. And obviously some parm. I can't find the bowl I want to use, so I have to use this one. I was doing so good. This is a brand new sweatshirt. That's why I have this right underneath where I am. Tide, sponsor me, please. I'm gonna put some heavy cream over it. Gonna add some more cheese, obviously. All right, I'm just gonna eat it. I don't like how the video is turning out, so I'm getting very frustrated. That little slurp tastes good.